Hi guys, I'm here in Ocala, Florida, Viv the Caribbean Team, Preferred Real Estate Brokers. This home that I'm showcasing today is $1 million plus. It's not in a subdivision. And as you can see, this is my favorite part. Look at that pool. Look how beautiful this is. My favorite part of the house is this pass-through window right here. As you can see. Just beautiful, peaceful. Nice big lot, as you can see. Let's go inside, take a look. We're in your theater room, or game room. Bathroom. This is guest area. Guest bedroom. And then from there, you walk out into your kitchen, as you can see. Overlook your dining area. Gas community. Look at those cabinets, how beautiful they are. So much light. Dining. Your laundry. Yes. Bedroom. $1 million plus. A little over $1 million, as you can see. Very nice. Double doors. As you can see. Coming back out. Your dining room area. Your kitchen. Open floor plan. Look at all those doors, sliding glass doors. Just very beautiful. Your front door. Let's go into your master suite and see. We're gonna go to, you got his closet, you got hers, and right into your ensuite. And look at the gold on that. And look at the tub. Very well put together. This home is customizable, but most of the things that are in here comes with the home, but you can customize it. And then this is just thinking outside the box, moving outside the city limit. As you can see. I'm going to go outside and show you a little bit about what outside looks like. Look how beautiful this door is. So this is what outside looks like. Now, isn't that beautiful? Again, Viv the Caribbean Team, Preferred Real Estate Broker, selling the American dream here in Central Florida. Just beautiful. This is in Marion County. This is your garage right here. So you have a 3-car garage on this beautiful home. As you can see, 3 cars. They have other houses that are being built in the area. Here's one right here, and there's one all the way back there. As you can see, very big lot, between ½ acre to 1 acre out here. Very nice. If you need more information on this home or any other home, check out my other videos on new construction home here in Central Florida. I look forward to seeing you next time.